Welcome to today's Explainer. You know, when we talk about artificial intelligence, our minds usually go straight to things like smart chatbots, complex algorithms, or, I don't know, how it's streamlining our everyday office jobs. But what happens when you take that absolutely cutting-edge technology and put it right into a surgical theater? Well, today we are going to unpack the mind-blowing intersection of AI and life-changing healthcare. We're going to look at how advanced tech is stepping in to accomplish what was literally once thought impossible.
19. Let that number sink in for a second, because that represents 19 months. This is the incredible story of two little girls named Mercy and Goodness. For the first 19 months of their lives, they were conjoined at the head. And because of the way they were physically joined, their journey together was, as you can imagine, unimaginably restrictive. In fact, for those first year and a half, these two sisters had never even seen each other face to face. Just pause and think about that. I mean, their bond was obviously extraordinary, but their physical reality meant they could never truly look into each other's eyes. But, as we're about to explore, all of that was about to completely change.
Section 1. The Extraordinary Challenge. And this was a monumental hurdle for the neurosurgeons at Sheikh Khalifa Medical City Hospital in Abu Dhabi.
So traditional separation surgery for twins conjoined at the head, it comes with a list of absolutely terrifying risks. We're talking serious complications, strokes, brain damage, and, tragically, even the very real possibility of loss of life. The neurosurgeons explain that at certain points during a separation like this, the entire surface of the twins' brains is completely exposed on the surgical table, just totally exposed. So the potential for causing irreversible injury to the brain is massive, and historically, these exact kinds of traumas have definitely occurred in previous cases. The absolute optimal way to perform this surgery is to complete the separation while causing zero trauma to the brains. But really, how on earth do you guarantee that when dealing with an anatomy that is so delicate and so intricately intertwined?
Section 2. Rehearsing with AI. Let's look at exactly how artificial intelligence stepped into the operating room to tackle this specific crisis, flipping the narrative from unimaginable risk to incredible hope. So, how exactly was AI used here? Well, the medical team broke it down into 3 meticulously choreographed steps. Step 1. The twins' brains were painstakingly scanned at the hospital in Abu Dhabi. Step 2. Artificial intelligence was brought in to process those scans and create highly detailed, perfectly accurate 3D imaging of the girls' intertwined brains and blood vessels. And then step 3, and honestly this is where it gets truly wild, this AI-generated 3D imaging allowed surgeons based all around the entire world to remotely rehearse the surgery. They weren't just looking at a flat computer screen, they used mixed reality to practice the operation over and over and over again before ever making a single physical incision on Mercy and Goodness.
To really grasp how game-changing this is, we need to understand mixed reality. It's a technology that blends the real world with 3D graphics, allowing images to be suspended in space or superimposed directly onto a patient. In a traditional surgery, a doctor has to stare at 2D scans and do a tremendous amount of mental gymnastics to translate that flat anatomy into a 3D model in their own head, all while they are actively operating. Mixed reality, powered by AI, completely removes that cognitive burden. The 3D processing is already done for the surgeon. Those highly detailed AI-generated images of the twins' brains were suspended right there in the room with them. This makes the surgeon's understanding of the anatomy exponentially more accurate, which, crucially, directly reduces the chances of causing harm to that delicate exposed brain tissue.
So, armed with these perfectly rehearsed AI-assisted surgical plans, the real work finally began. It took months of planning, every single move was meticulously choreographed, and it wasn't just one quick procedure either. Over the course of 3 separate, intense operations, the surgical team carefully divided the girls' shared veins and arteries. They even had to grow new skin to cover the girls' skulls once they were separated. And then, at long last, it happened. Mercy and Goodness were successfully separated.
Section 3. Changing patients' lives. Because understanding the tech is really only half the story, we have to look at the profound human impact of this breakthrough to see how AI truly changed these girls' futures.
Their father described his reaction to his daughters finally having their own independent lives, and he simply said, "I'm so happy. I was jumping up." It is literally impossible to overstate the emotional weight of this outcome. Yes, the recovery process has its complications. I mean, any major surgery like this does, but this family is now living a life that once seemed completely, totally impossible. The joy, the sheer relief, the overwhelming happiness of a father watching his daughters survive such a monumental ordeal, it's incredibly powerful.
Just think about it. Before this AI-assisted intervention, their lives were highly restrictive. Because they were conjoined, they essentially had to stay in one place. They couldn't crawl, they couldn't sit up, they couldn't stand by themselves. But jump ahead 6 months later, and their reality is entirely different. They're walking unassisted, they're independent, and they're incredibly happy. AI didn't just assist in a medical procedure here, it completely transformed the trajectory of 2 human lives, giving them a freedom they otherwise would never have known.
Which leaves us with this final thought. We've just seen how artificial intelligence, 3D modeling, and mixed reality were leveraged to safely separate conjoined twins, a feat that was fraught with unimaginable danger just a few short years ago. It essentially removed the guesswork and gave surgeons absolute pinpoint precision. So if AI can help achieve the impossible today, giving 2 little girls the ability to walk independently and look each other in the eye for the very first time, what on earth will it cure tomorrow? What other massive medical mountains are we on the brink of conquering? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and I will catch you next time.